Good morning, everybody. Myself Sandhya Tiwari, English second teacher for class 5th in Mount Olivet Senior Secondary School. Student, today we are going to study first poem, Which Loved Best. Which Loved Best is a poem that was published in a year of 1898 by a woman named Joy Allison. So, who is the poetess of this poem? Joy Allison. Student, firstly I'll read the poem. After that, I will explain it. So, listen carefully. I love you, mother, said little John. Then, forgetting his work, his cap went on, and he was off to the garden swing, leaving his mother the wood to bring. I love you, mother, said little Nell. I love you better than tongue can tell. Then she teased and pouted half the day, till mother rejoiced when she went to play. I love you, mother, said little Fan. Today I'll help you all I can. To cradle then she did softly creep, and rock the baby till it fell asleep. Then stepping softly, she took the broom and swept the floor and dusted the room. Busy and happy, all day was she, helpful and cheerful as child can be. I love you, mother, again they said, three little children going to bed. How do you think the mother guessed which of them really loved the best? Okay, let's start. I'm going to explain this poem, so listen very carefully. Student, this poem focuses on three young children that tell their mother they loved her, but do their actions say the same? Student, let's start with the poem. The first child is little John, who although he say he loves his mom, he forgets about his chores and helping his mother, leaving all the work for her to complete herself. Okay? The next child to tell her mother that she loves her is Nell. The name of the second child is Nell. Although Nell remembers to do her chores before going off to play, she complains about doing them the whole time, making her mother relieved when she finally did go play. Finally, along comes little Fan. Not only does she loves her mother, but she also shows it with her actions. Not only did she help her mother with all that needed done, but she also went about it happily and without complaint. Okay? When it comes time for the three children to head off to the bed, they tell their mother once more how much they love her. Student, although I'm sure she didn't doubt that they loved her, but it was obvious to her which child actually loved her most. My dear student, we can say that we all love our parents, all we want, but our action speaks louder than our words. Okay? Our action speaks louder than our words. A mother not only wants to told that they are loved, but they want to be shown that as well. What we are doing to show our mother that we love them. Understood you all of you? Thank you.